We, as a community, us Jamaicans, we are a fucking joke. What are we known for? What are we known for? Chinese people, known for their brains. Indian people, known for their brains. Turkish man, Greek man, Mediterranean man, known for business and entrepreneurship. Jewish man, you understand what I'm trying to say? What the fuck is British-born Jamaicans known for? Someone put down in the comment section what British-born Jamaicans are known for, apart from bunning weed, knife wielding, gun wielding, and breeding up gal having 7 baby mums. Tell me what British-born Jamaicans are known for. We're not known for nothing. We're an embarrassment. There's a Jamaican joke. Some of you lot may have not heard this before, but my mum told me about this. The joke is, because we have so many descendants, there's so many of us Jamaicans in the outside world, outside of Jamaica itself, whether the Jamaicans are like myself, yeah, or half, like mixed race, there's so many of us, if we all return back to the island would sink because there's so many of us, yeah? You know, I was actually thinking about this yesterday. In England, if all the British-born Jamaicans, if we went back to Jamaica, in terms of the economy and what we don't provide, if we left this country, there would be no difference. Yeah? Every Jamaican in this country could leave this country right now and go back to Jamaica, and there'll be no change. You wouldn't even notice the difference. As opposed to Indian people. If they all left England and went to India, and I'm including people from Bangladesh and Pakistan, if all the Asian people left, we would be in problems. If Jamaicans left, there'll be no problems. Business 101 says, if you have an employee who, if they didn't return to work for a month, 3-4 months, or a year, if you couldn't notice the difference, get rid of them because they have no value. We have no value. We provide no value to this country. So if we left this country and we went back to Jamaica, do you know what, yeah? We'd probably be doing England a fucking favor. We provide no value. And what people will do is when they see and hear me talking like this, they'll say, oh, you're putting us down. You're putting us down. Bro, this is facts. Tell me what English-born Jamaicans provide to this country. I want to know, as a community, what do we provide to this country? Nothing. Nothing but fatherless children. That's it. Yeah? This country would be better off without us.